preparation of the buffet depend upon the size of the buffet, and the size depends directly upon the rate of the buffet. In the five-star hotel, the buffet size is very much, but in the multi-deluxe restaurant, buffet size may be small. Some courses may be avoided. Like buffet service means various types of food are displayed on the table according to the courses. Now in the buffet service, mainly the self-service. I mean to say, guests help themselves only. Server may portion the food. It is not confirmed because guests like to have food of their own choice. In the starting, crockery and cutlery are kept. And starter are generally lavishly put, both veg, non-veg, paneers, and then the soups, salads. Sorry, salad then soup. Salad is also lavishly uh, arranged. Veg salad, non-veg salad, green salad. Soup may be two only, veg and non-veg. Then coming to main courses, and main courses may have the fish, meat, chicken, paneer, dal, rice, rotis, and then coming to the sweets. Also at the end, tea and coffee may be arranged. The name of the dishes are generally put in front of the dishes. And server also replenish the food. And the point to be noted is that food should be always hot during the display, during the service, because guests like to have the hot food. And generally now the electrical bain-maries are used. Means water keep on heating. I will tell you how it is done. Generally the bain-marie is like this. It has electrical rod inside, and water is kept over that. The water is always heat, and a dish is kept over this. The food remains in this, so the food is hotter for a longer time. Now, various dishes are displayed, so generally the shape of the buffet is arranged L shape. And here we are putting the crockery cutlery, then the starters. I told you all that, and one table may be put for the soiled dishes. Soiled dishes means, I mean to say, the guests who have eaten the food, they want to put the table, and they want to put the plate, empty plate, they can put on the table. That table should be regularly clean and removed. Clean means that have to be soiled plates should be always removed. And the benefit of the buffet service is that a large number of people can be serviced at the same time. I mean to say 100, 200, 300, 400. In this type of service, a la carte service is very tough. So large number of people can be catered. Seats can be arranged for some person at the corner. Generally, people take food in the open. Now, seats can be arranged during the buffet, and sit-down buffet is also available in the certain hotel. Sit-down buffet means guests can take the plate and have the food and can sit on the chair. Now, thanks for watching my video, and I will like to add more and more videos on the SIMS Institute. Thank you.
SIMS, India's best hotel management institute, Delhi. Education, knowledge, grooming, डेवलपमेंट, प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग के साथ साथ देश तथा विदेशों के 5 स्टार होटल्स में जिम्मेदारी के साथ रोजगार, सरकार द्वारा मान्यता प्राप्त।